You spend 40 years running, chasing deadlines, building a life in cities that don't care if you breathe. Then you stop. You look for a place where the water actually moves you and the pavement ends where history begins. Welcome to Brockville. This isn't a postcard, it's a neighborhood. 2-minute walk one way, you're teeing off at the Brockville Country Club. 5-minute walk the other, you're losing yourself on the Brock Trail. Downtown isn't a shopping mall, it's real people with real food, and theater at the Arts Center. It's life lived on foot. And at the end of the day, you need a bunker, a sanctuary. Welcome to 11A Center Street. Welcome to the south end of this 10-year-old townhouse where downsizing feels suspiciously like an upgrade. If you're looking for a home that fits your active lifestyle better than your favorite pair of hiking boots, you've arrived. So when you step inside 11A Center Street, you have a nice foyer agreeing these great glossy tile floors. You've got a room at the front of your house that would be perfect for the home office, a guest room for that guest who just won't leave, or the hobby that you promised yourself you'd start 3 years ago. You've got main access or direct access into the garage to the house, so you don't have to do that great Canadian DoorDash in the wintertime with the groceries. And then you walk back into this wide open space, kitchen, living, dining room. Now check out this open concept living area. The current owner has dropped over $80,000 in upgrades over the past 2 years, which is basically like buying the house a designer wardrobe. We're talking brand new flooring, fresh paint on the walls, great granite countertops, you'll actually want to do the dishes, and osmosis water filter. Why? Because your ice cubes deserve fancy too. Your primary bedroom is your total do not disturb me zone. You got lots of room for your bed, dressers, a walk-in closet for all your athleisure clothes, and an ensuite, new tile floors, a great shower. You could pretend you're at the spa until somebody knocks on the door. Slide open the patio doors to your upper level deck right off the living room. It's the perfect spot. Morning coffee, a glass of wine in the evening. But more importantly, you could judge your neighbor's lawn mowing skills. But hang on, that's not all. Thanks to the sloping lot, the basement's a full walkout. No dungeon vibes here. It's got a 3rd bedroom, a 4-piece bath, a family room with a new gas fireplace, full height windows, and a pool table. It's basically a high-end sports bar minus the overpriced wings. Garden doors lead you through the walkout basement to your ground level patio. Nice paving stones, covered because of the upper deck. But the real bonus here is not just the nice fenced in backyard, garden shed, but you're close enough to the Brockville Country Club. If you tee off from your front yard, you might just hit it on the green. But I wouldn't do that if I was you. Or modern upgrades, river breezes, and a basement built for fun. A 5-minute walk to the park at the St. Lawrence River and the beach or the Brock Trail. 2 minutes to the Brockville Country and Curling Club. It's less than 2 kilometers to the Art Center and the start of all the downtown shops and restaurants. This home has main floor living perfected. Wide open spaces let you walk seamlessly to your upper deck. Primary bedroom with walk-in closet ensuite, says do not disturb. If you need an extra room or a guest room, or an office to plan that next trip you want to go on. The front room has you covered. Main floor laundry. Walk into the garage, into the house. If you're ready to trade your lawnmower for lifestyle, give me a call. 11A Center Street, folks. Dale Charbot. We're LePage Team Realty. Thanks for watching.